Arabic objects. Let's learn some everyday objects in Arabic. We will ask a simple question, what is this? And give the answer, this is. For a question about a masculine object, we say ما هذا. And for a feminine object, we say ما هذه. We will explain this more in the future lessons, inshallah. Listen carefully. ما هذا? هذا كتاب or هذا كتاب. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم or هذا قلم. ما هذه؟ هذه حقيبة or هذه حقيبة. ما هذه؟ هذه شجرة or هذه شجرة. ما هذا؟ هذا طبق or هذا طبق. ما هذا؟ هذا كوب or هذا كوب. ما هذه؟ هذه زهرة or هذه زهرة. ما هذا؟ هذا باب or هذا باب. ما هذا؟ هذا جورب or هذا جورب. ما هذه؟ هذه قرة or هذه قرة. ما هذا؟ هذا سرير or هذا سرير. ما هذه؟ هذه هدية or هذه هدية. Did you notice that sometimes you can pronounce the tanween at the end of the words? When we are actually speaking or reading Arabic, we do not always need to say this. The end sound is a double vowel which is called tanween. We will tell you all about this in the next amazing Arabic lesson, inshallah. Practice with someone and take it in turns to ask and answer the question for different objects you see around your home or when you're out and about, inshallah.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something new. Please like the video and share with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our next video. Stay keen!